Hi lovelies, it's really nice to come your way again. I hope you're all doing great and you're staying safe. Today we are making a pasta recipe. You know, pasta is something that is found in every household and I figured we should do something really nice with it. So today we are making a spicy veggie masala pasta. Let's get started. Welcome back to all my subscribers. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and let's be YouTube friends. Here's what you will need. 2 cups of pasta, half cup of chopped carrots. Now this is grated carrots. These are leftovers from my vegan carrot cake. That was really good. You should check that recipe out. Half a cup of chopped red bell pepper, half a cup chopped green onions, 1 cup frozen corn, 1 cup tomato paste, 5 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of masala, ground masala, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon each Italian seasoning and oregano, half a teaspoon red chili pepper, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I have some rosemary here, some minced ginger, some chopped cilantro, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and some salt. Let's get to it. In a container, bring some water to a boil. Add about a teaspoon of the olive oil to the water and about a teaspoon of salt. Then add your pasta. Stir. Do not cover it and cook for 10 minutes. After pasta is cooked on the medium-low heat, add the rest of your oil to your pan. Toss in your garlic as well as ginger and cook for about 2 minutes. Stir in your tomato paste. Let this cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. After cooking your tomato paste for 10 minutes, stir in all your spices. Cook this for about 3 minutes. Now the reason why I haven't added a lot of oil or water to it is that the frozen corn has a bit of water in it as well as the carrots, so I don't want to add a lot of water to it. I want to add that and see if it is necessary to add more water or oil to the paste. Stir in your corn and carrots. So I ended up adding 2 more of these cups of water to it. I've been cooking this for 2 minutes now. Now I'm going to add the pasta. Cover and cook this for about 3 minutes and then we'll stir in the bell pepper and the onions. So now we stir in the bell pepper. Cook for about a minute or 2 and your food is ready. So this is the end product. It tastes really good. So you can have this just as it is and it will be vegan, or you can serve it with some meatballs. So I have some fried pork balls here that you can add to it to make it non-vegan, or you can just have it just as this. And now the last part, let's sprinkle some cilantro on it. And dinner is served. This is a very simple dinner. It takes roughly about 30 minutes to make, and you can give this a try and let me know. Thank you. this recipe, please give it a try. Comment, like, subscribe, and share my videos. And let's be YouTube friends. See you next time.